Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video, I'm going to tell one important news of TikTok. So guys, there are some news saying that TikTok must be banned in our India. So guys, what is the real reason behind the TikTok ban and when TikTok is going to ban, and really is TikTok going to ban in our India or not? So guys, for these three questions, I will give the genuine answer. So guys, make sure that you watch this video till end because this video is very important. So I'm Shafi, you're watching Chef Tech on channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, we know that before some months, TikTok app was removed from Play Store by Google for some reason. So guys, Google says that in TikTok there are some videos which neglect the people, means which are very harmful for the people, like youth people, for example youth people. So Google said that because of this reason we removed TikTok app. So what did TikTok do? Means after that, so TikTok said to Google that we will not do this next time. So we will do some updates so that this type of videos will not come again. So after that again, Google was verified the TikTok app, and Google kept TikTok app in Play Store. So now TikTok app can be downloaded from Play Store. So till now it's fine. So guys, TikTok followed this Google's rule for some months, and now again some users say that in TikTok we are getting some waste videos. Waste video means which are videos which are very harmful. So guys, many users say that we are getting some videos which are harmful, like dangerous videos. So now Google is trying. So many news are saying that TikTok must be banned, means many people are saying that TikTok must be banned, and some news are saying that TikTok will ban. So like that, so really is TikTok banning or not? So guys, so moving to the news. So as the news said that TikTok will ban, but there is no confirmation date of TikTok ban. So TikTok will be banned, but not on certain date. So news are saying that TikTok must be banned, and some users are saying that we must ban TikTok. So like that, there are some news coming, but there is a no confirmation date that TikTok must be banned. So guys, I really are in TikTok there are many videos which are very harmful. So many people keep their life at risk, and they'll keep on doing TikTok videos. So finally, what I want to say is the reason behind the banning of TikTok is neglecting videos. So there are some videos which are neglecting the rules of Google, and also which are neglecting the peoples. So these videos are very harmful for youth children and for teenager children. So that is the reason behind the banning of TikTok. So I say now that about the banning, so I say there is no confirmation date that TikTok is going to ban. So just there are news saying that TikTok will ban, but there is no confirmation date that TikTok is going to ban. So I say now, till now many members thought that TikTok is a really best app. So we must install TikTok app, like that. Till now it went correctly, but now many people are thinking I don't want to use TikTok app, and many people are uninstalling the TikTok app. So like that happening. So what I want to say is don't make any harmful videos. So make good videos, sir. Make good videos so that you can build up on a TikTok. So no need to make any type of videos which neglect the people or which are harmful to the people. So guys, I hope you share this video to everyone. So that's it in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit this like button and share this video to all. If you haven't, comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Jai Hind.